Space is cold because it is mostly empty and lacks a significant amount of matter to hold or transfer heat. The concept of temperature and heat transfer requires the presence of particles that can interact and exchange energy. In the vacuum of space, the density of matter is extremely low, with only a few atoms or molecules per cubic meter on average. On the other hand, the sun is indeed extremely hot, with temperatures reaching millions of degrees Celsius at its core. The sun's heat is generated through the process of nuclear fusion, where hydrogen nuclei combine to form helium, releasing an enormous amount of energy in the process. This energy radiates outwards as electromagnetic radiation, including visible light, infrared radiation, and other forms of energy. However, space itself is a near-perfect insulator. Without any significant matter to conduct or convect heat, the transfer of thermal energy from the sun to other objects in space is very limited. When the sun's radiation reaches Earth, it heats up the atmosphere and the surface, but the vacuum of space between celestial bodies remains extremely cold. So, while the sun is incredibly hot, the absence of a medium for heat transfer in space prevents the warmth from reaching and warming up objects in its vicinity, resulting in the perception of space as being cold.